How to make money with Shein affiliate program. Let's get started. First, how can you join Shein affiliate program? For that, open your preferred browser, navigate to the website Shein affiliate, click on the very first one website option, Shein affiliate program, us.shein.com. You'll be directed to this page. Now go ahead and click on the option of sign up. Now you can use your Google ID or Facebook to sign up for Shein affiliate program, or also you can type in your email or phone number directly. I have selected my email address. Once you do that, you will be logged in. Now agree with the terms and conditions of Shein affiliate. Go ahead and choose an account to confirm your eligibility. Choose whichever public social media account you have the most followers on. So let me select Instagram. Once you select it, provide the credentials of it and log in. And with that, you'll be good to go. Now, Shein affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by sharing Shein products through unique links on your website, blog, or social media. Whenever someone buys something using your link, you earn money. With millions of products and fresh styles launching regularly, Shein is hugely popular, which means strong earning potential for affiliates. Shein affiliates can select which products and promotions they want to market. In addition to receiving 10 or 20% commission on purchases, Shein affiliates also receive monthly cash bonuses and coupons. Shein affiliates promote a variety of products including women's and men's clothing, accessories, and even home decor. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily make money with Shein affiliate program. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.